Here the question is saying that what is the focal length of the convex lens of focal length 30 centimeter in contact with the concave lens of focal length of 20 centimeter? Is the system converging or diverging lens? Ignore thickness of the lenses. So we have been given thin lenses and we have to find out what is the effective focal length. Now we know that the effective focal length is given by 1 by f effective is equals to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus so on. Here we have been given only two lenses, so we will take f1 and f2 only. Now here f1 in the case of convex lens is positive and f2 in the case of concave lens is always negative. So let us calculate the value of f effective, and that is going to be equal to 1 by f1, that is 1 by convex 30 minus of 1 by 20. So after adding this we will get a value of minus of 1 by 60 centimeter. So focal length effective is going to be equal to minus of 60 centimeter. So here we see that the focal length effective is negative. That means it is diverging in nature, or we have got a concave length of focal length 60 centimeter. Thank you.